Good morning. Today is January 19, Wednesday 2022. I am Sudarshan Sukhani. This is my new website and these are my research analysis details. I trade the Nifty with momentum as my main basis. I am primarily a short-term trader. I use options to execute my trades while the view is developed on the cash Nifty chart. Context is much more important than what you hear from me or from other analysts, and context is something that you develop on your own. Therefore, you can easily make do without the analyst, but you must develop the context and the knack of understanding what today can bring. This is a wide range bar in the Nifty. It is not bullish. It opened at the top, closed at the bottom and made a very wide range. Whatever it is doing, as I told you, it's not bullish. Now the next few days could provide direction to the index. Maybe the index can recover from this, quite possible. Maybe it will become choppy and slowly drift down. So there is no need to trade tomorrow. I am not really looking at a trade tomorrow. I'm just waiting patiently for the market to tell us what it wants to do. The Bank Nifty is in a trading range now. 37,900 is support and 38,900 is resistance. Inside this trading range, there is usually no trade. A short trade comes about if the support breaks, and a long trade comes about if resistance breaks on the upside. One of these two levels will be taken out in the next few days. I don't know which side. Godrej Consumer Products has been in a downtrend. See this downtrend, small rally, again a resumption of the downtrend. It's an intraday short with a stop above 938. IndusInd Bank had a big bear market decline. It's never recovered from it, had a very tepid rally and again a decline. Look for an intraday short with a stop above 915. ONGC is one of the outperforming stocks. Momentum continues to be up. Today's decline can be attributed to the decline in the world markets. This is probably worth buying into with a stop under 157. Thank you for watching this video. I make this video to explain the basis on which I give my views on the CNBC-TV18 channel. Thank you and Jai Hind.